skin here. So today I'm going to be reviewing a foundation, and I think this is like my first foundation review ever. I'm going to be reviewing the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and this is the second foundation I've gotten because the first one I got, the shade was way too pale. This one is Creme Brulee. This foundation promises to cover up imperfections, blemishes, breakouts, all that. So I figured since I've been having a lot of issues with breakouts lately, I would go ahead and give it a try to see if it works. It's supposed to be a liquid foundation that dries to a powder, which I love that powdery look when you do your foundation. This foundation is 40 bucks. The packaging is actually really cute. I like that little ombre design on the bottle. And again, this shade is Creme Brulee. So I'm going to prep my skin first before I apply it. And to start, I'm going to use 24K Magic Beauty Oil by Ulta Beauty. If you've ever been curious about using jojoba oil for your face, it's actually an amazing product because not only does jojoba oil help replenish your skin and make it look more bright and dewy, it also tricks your skin into thinking you've produced enough sebum or oil, so it produces less because this little magic oil tricks it. I'm gonna apply a small amount to my face and then rub it in. And I don't really use this as a primer because I like using my matte primer on top. I just kind of use it as an oil treatment before I do my foundation. Okay. So now I'm going to let that kind of just sink into my face for a little bit. So now that the oil has sunken in, I'm going to go ahead and add primer. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. This is my favorite primer right now because it keeps my face very matte throughout the day. It smells good, and I just love how it looks. Alright. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some correctiveness, and then I'll do the foundation. My husband always makes fun of me at this point and says I'm putting on my war paint. And damn straight, boo, I'm going to battle. Okay, so now that my face is primed and corrected as much as I can, I'm going to go in with the primer, or with the foundation. And like I said, I'm really worried that this foundation may be really, really pale, but we will see. Ooh, it's already looking really pale. Oh my god. Why is this foundation so yellow? Holy crap. Sephora Color Match lied. Alright, so my foundation is applied. I haven't put any concealer or powder over it yet. It does dry very fast. I can already feel the powdery feeling, especially up here and around here. It did really settle into my creases on my chin and around my nose. But hopefully when I put some concealer over that, it'll help. This foundation is very fragrant. They really put a lot of perfume into it, which honestly I've always kind of thought and been told that if your foundation has a lot of perfume and fragrance to it, it's because they're trying to hide the chemical smell of what's in it. So I'm not really liking that. It did really cover up those pimples I had right here. You can't see them too bad, but if you get close up, you can see them pretty good right here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, and then I will talk about it some more. I'm just gonna finish this with some Buxom Cosmetics lipstick. This is the Vava Plump Pinup Plump. I love this shade. It's like a pretty pink mauve color. It's just so pretty. Finished my whole face. I have everything on, and looking at my face, it looks really good. It has like a natural almost foundation look, but I am noticing already right here on the bridge of my nose, my oils are starting to come out. Hopefully it lasts on my nose. That's the first place I'm thinking it might fade. So I have to go out and about today and go out of town, so I'm gonna wear this all day, and then at the end of the day I'm gonna check in and see how my foundation is looking. It is right now 10:05, so I'll check back in at around 6 or 7. I'll check back in with you guys. So it is now 9:24, so I've had this foundation on all day, and I already noticed it creased really bad underneath my eyes. I didn't touch up my foundation at all today. I kind of let it do its own thing. The only thing I touched up all day was my lipstick, just because I wanted to get the full effect of this foundation to see how it lasted. The foundation on my nose is practically all gone, which I fear is gonna happen because as I was already setting my foundation, I could see my pores seeping, my oils seeping through. My chin, it's gone completely. My forehead, my oils came through my forehead really badly. This foundation does not promise to keep oil under control. It's just supposed to be for all skin types and to help cover blemishes, which I will say this, my pimples right here did stay covered until I started picking at them. Bad habit, I know. But, I mean, the foundation's not bad. I feel like the tone, the shade that I got is a little too yellow. So I may end up returning this for more of a pinker tone shade. But I mean, it's not a bad shade. I do wish it lasted longer. Maybe if I were to do touch-up throughout the day, it would last longer and look better. But I wish it had stayed matte all day. It's really hard for me to find a foundation that stays matte all day long. I've yet to find one. But as of right now, I'm gonna give the Huda Beauty, I don't know. I don't want to be too nice or too lenient, but then again, I don't want to be too mean. So I think I'm gonna give the foundation an 8, just because when you do apply it, it does have that powdery, good feeling, that powdery feeling where it doesn't look like you have a bunch of foundation on. But right now, with me feeling my face, it feels almost tacky, like it's just packed on there. So it just kind of lifts up from the skin, if that makes sense, throughout the day. And I really wasn't in the heat that much. For a $40 foundation, I honestly expect more. I would hope it lasts longer. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I'm gonna have more foundation videos coming up soon because I've been trying to find the perfect foundation for my skin. So far, the quest has been long. It has been a very long quest. So if you guys have any suggestions for the perfect foundation for oily / combo skin, please leave my comments down below because I am trying to find this foundation. I will find it one day. So go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed my review and subscribe for more awesome content. And I will see you guys again soon. Love you. Bye.